Well, the Manchester Laboratory is the Department of Ecology's full-service environmental lab. It's the only full-service lab they have. We employ about 27 chemists. We do a variety of environmental tests on water, soil, and air. We've been here at this location, co-located with EPA, since 1984. So we perform a wide variety of environmental tests. We look for toxic compounds. We're also looking for real basic water chemistry. Are the solids contents too high or too low to support whatever that water body function is? Recreational activities, fishing activities, agricultural activities. The information we provide from all of those tests helps ecology make informed decisions about the conditions of the environment, whether or not it is worth investing the resources to clean up this particular area or this particular area. We do a lot of the work that can't be done in the field. It requires a controlled laboratory environment. A lot of the equipment requires specialized space, specialized gases, specialized solvents, and from a health and safety standpoint, doing these tests in a laboratory is absolutely required. So the logistics sometimes of getting samples here can be somewhat of a challenge because our samples have a variety of what we call holding times. You might think of them as an expiration date, much like you would with a food product. And some of the samples that we're getting from some of the remote areas of the state have a very short expiration date, 24 hours. Staff are out in the field for, say, 10 hours collecting samples at various sites, and then they've got to get those on ice, in a cooler, protected for transport to an airport. They get there about 6 or 7 at night, and we'll pick them up at SeaTac about 5 in the morning, get them over here to the laboratory early so that we can get the analysis started before they expire. So those are some of the more challenging logistics of doing samples with a short holding time. Fortunately, many of our samples have a longer holding time than 24 hours. The lab is a critical piece of this important work because without this information, it's difficult to make an environmental decision in a very informed manner. So our decisions are used to help solve environmental problems, and the information we provide informs those folks so that they can make those decisions. Because these decisions often involve millions of dollars of cleanup work, or millions of dollars of a new treatment plant that might have to go in. And the laboratory analyses are a crucial component to being able to do that. We don't want to clean something up that's already clean, or not do enough and find out that later on, if we'd spent a little bit more time, a little more effort, or located our cleanup activities here. So we need to know where the pollution is and what concentrations they're at, and the laboratory plays a critical role in providing that.